Growing up in the 80s, I didn't realise how much my life was going to change the day my neighbours bought themselves a brand new G Wagon. Now, the first time I saw one, I didn't know whether it was the most beautiful or the most ugliest thing I'd ever seen in my life. What I did know, however, was I had to have one. Someday. It was then I decided to play the waiting game. I mean, these things have got to get cheaper the older they get. Or so I thought. Well, I made it through the 80s, I waded through the 90s, and then in the noughties things started to become very strange. Strange and expensive. You see, in Hollywood they decided that the bigger celebrities' artists became, then the more they could charge with G-Wagons, and they just got bigger and bigger and... That wasn't the airbags, or the leather seats. So I needed to find a G-Wagon at a reasonable price, and I looked everywhere. I looked in
Tokyo, South America, Australia, France, Germany, UK, Africa,
and I didn't find a single thing. I mean, nothing. So I tried social media.
Somebody please help me in this misery. Somebody please help me in this misery. Have mercy, somebody. I want my baby back to me. Let me tell you about it.
I took to the road and I must have seen nearly every G-Wagon in the country. Now, some of them were good. Some of them, well, they needed a little bit of work here and there. And then there were others. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Well, Charlie, what happened next? Yeah? Okay.